So if you wanted to generate your first site, a one-page site with the actual cart, the process actually is not that hard, but we have to take in mind that it might be taking a little while to get started. So portfolio, landing page, link in bio, whatever you needed, you can have it on a real Publish website under 15 minutes with Cart. So the first thing is to actually choose an actual starting point. So in here, what we can do is to choose an actual starting point what we're actually looking for. For example, we can go for a profile, we can go for a landing, form, portfolio, or sectioned. I'm going to go for a landing page to make this process really fast. Now, what I wanted to do is to look out for something really easily, which is totally for free. You don't want to look out for premium plans. We wanted to go for something easily and fast. Now, inside here, I'm going to be choosing my starting point, which we already picked a template that matches what we're actually building, whether that's an actual portfolio, landing page, or profile. In my case, we actually choose an actual really easily information directly inside here. Now, something else that I'm going to be doing here is that I'm going to be asking, for example, give me some sample info for a landing page so I can copy paste. Really simple. Basically, what I'm going to be doing here is that something that you already have, which is, for example, your main information of what you actually wanted to add, which in my case, for example, is to get, for example, here, get without, right, my hero section. So here, for example, I go for text and I change for get without. There we go. So what I'm going to do here is to start to personalize all of the actual information that we currently have directly into this specific stuff, like this. So the product services name, so for example, let's go for the Tech Express helps let's say achieve your goals in less than 10 minutes. So you can finally let's say start doing your stuff, something like that, doing your work. And here into the buttons, let's say I click directly inside here into my label. Let's say, for example, watched free tutorials. Here's the icon and the URL. It will be telling, for example, to accept all the URL styles. What I will be doing here is to go directly into the youtube.com. I'm going to go for tech.express, which is our actual website. I paste it directly inside here. And there we go. Now, what we can do is to hit for the element that says done. Down here, have more information about it. Let's say, for example, that this container, I don't need to add this specific containers. So there's stuff that I don't want it to see, or I do want it to see, right? For example, this is stuff element. So I once again delete, I select, there we go. Now, basically here, what we are actually doing here is that we're actually copying and paste all of the actual info. So we can see that we have just like a current, easily, in this case, landing page that it can be really helping me to solve, in this case, problems. So basically what we're going to do is to show them, or let's say, for example, just tell people that we are actually aiming to do some tutorials and we wanted to show them the actual link directly inside there. So how can we use this specific link or this element? So basically what I'm going to be doing here is to hit into the publish, since we already have like the essential stuff. And it says, of course, to generate my actual account is going to be really important. So I'm going to go to add my name, TechExpress videos at gmail.com. It says checking. I add my own passcode. I confirm my own passcode. I disable the send me news and updates. I enable the read to the services go, and go for Tech Express landing page. The description is just going to be a landing page, really easily. My action will be published to a URL, which is hard to do. If you wanted to publish to a custom domain, you must have an actual pro plan, but since we're going to be using the free version, just stick around with this element. So go for tech, there we go, express.cart.co. If this one is enabled, it's going to appear as into green. If it's not, it's going to appear into red. When you finish, get into the element that says published. So what we did is to choose my starting point, we edit the content, we add new sections, we add a call to action, we style it, and we saved our actual work. When they publish directly inside here, it's going to be showing me, for example, that it's not going to be showing yet since my account hasn't been verified yet. So what I need to do is to click directly into the verification link that they have been sending me, and just like that, my actual in this case my account will be verified. I head directly inside here at my landing page. It's now available. When I click into watch free tutorials, it will be sending me into YouTube, and we're good to go. So as you can see, the process actually is not that hard. So just pick a template, edit your content, add a clear call to action, style it, and publish it, and you have your landing page or whatever website you want to create it to call it. So guys, if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this directly into TechSpress. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we can see you all next time.